filming.
Wait, there better not be a freaking swamp. Wait, I want to see what's locked all the way down.
Yeah, that's pure darkness.
That's way better.
Yeah, sorry about the crappy camera field. We had to turn down brightness, guys.
No, sorry.
Did you just say no sorry?
Yeah, I'm not sorry, guys. Freaking.
Well, like and subscribe. We've been going already. We couldn't have come up with nothing, so we just started filming something random.
Yeah.
And we started filming Animal Crossing.
If anyone recognizes his voice, please don't tell anybody. Please. I have a lot of friends. Trust me on that.
I cannot even see the message.
It's fine. You don't have to.
Good thing we all don't go to school. It feels like some Japanese. Yeah, I like that. They're bright.
This one?
Go down one.
Yeah, that's actually kind of better.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my house right now. Still trying to... I don't need 2 mirrors. I saw I sell this for a lot of money. I'm not having a great time.
You put the mat in the middle of the floor. And then put your coffee.
It'll just look weird.
No, it won't. And then you put your table on top of it. You know what you should do? Put your mat in the middle. Put your, what do you call it? That dining table.
I'm putting something in the middle right now, so.
Animal Crossing.
And I already have a table over there.
It looks like some type of Wii game that involved off of Wii Sports.
This was my gift for reaching A. So if you play Animal Crossing and you reach level A on your stars, you actually get this. I think.
It's a beatbox thingy. You know what you should do? Put your beatbox all the way up there, because that
yeah,
really...
that's what I'm doing. I'm putting my wardrobe right here, and then I'm going to go back and get that, and then place that right there, so it looks a lot better.
If y'all want to see more of the series...
Please don't leave yet.
If y'all guys want more of the series, please like and subscribe and turn on notification bell.
If we're sucky, just say we're sucky in the comments. Okay?
I don't even have comments enabled and my account's messed up.
Okay, whatever. No, I don't want that.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here, guys.
Don't.
And we'll have a part 2 after this video and about customizing his house. Goodbye.